Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to force reset your iPhone 15 Pro and Max. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, hold the lock button. Continue to hold the lock button until your phone completely turns off and turns back on. Once you see the Apple logo, you can let go. If this video has helped you guys out, subscribe to the channel. You can let go. And there you guys go, your phone has been force resetted.